How AI helped one man build a $1.8 billion company. 2 months, $20,000. One laptop in a house in Los Angeles. That was the starting point for Matthew Gallagher. No fancy office. No army of employees. No venture capital headlines. Just a problem he wanted to solve and a growing collection of AI tools. Gallagher launched Medvi, a telehealth company providing access to GLP-1 weight loss treatments. Instead of building a traditional startup with dozens of departments, he approached the business differently. He treated every challenge as a system. Need software? He used AI to write much of the code. Need a website? AI generated the copy. Need advertisements? AI created the images and videos. Need customer support? AI handled routine conversations. Need business insights? AI analyzed the numbers. The tasks that absolutely required human expertise, legal guidance, accounting, regulated medical services were outsourced to specialists. The result? 300 customers in the first month. More than 1,000 additional customers in month 2. $401 million in revenue during Medvi's first full year of operation in 2025. A projected $1.8 billion in sales in 2026. At one point, the only full-time employee Gallagher hired was his younger brother. Before reading this story, many people believed AI would only help large companies become more efficient. What this case suggests is something bigger. AI is changing the economics of starting and scaling a business. For decades, growth followed a familiar formula. More customers leads to. More employees leads to. More management layers leads to. More complexity. That formula is being challenged. Today, a founder can use AI as a junior developer, a copywriter, a data analyst, a customer service representative, a research assistant, a marketing coordinator. Does this mean people no longer matter? No. Gallagher's story highlights something more important. The bottleneck is shifting from execution to judgment. The valuable skills of the future may not be typing faster or working longer hours. They may be identifying opportunities others miss, asking better questions, designing effective systems, making sound decisions, knowing where human expertise is still essential. There is also an important caution here. AI did not replace doctors, lawyers, accountants, or regulatory experts in Medvi's business. The company relied heavily on partnerships and outsourced professionals to handle areas where trust, compliance, and specialist knowledge mattered most. The lesson is not, AI replaces everyone. The lesson is leverage. Technology has always amplified human capability. Artificial intelligence is simply the newest amplifier. The question is no longer whether AI will change how businesses operate. It already has. The real question is, how will you use it to build something that was previously impossible for you to create?